Hey, it's Anissa and Joe bringing you the latest in cooking technology. It's the Granite Tuff pan.
Hey, Anissa, for decades, Teflon was king, but now that we have granite, it's better, it's safer, and it's more versatile.
Yeah, that's right. It's got natural granite coating that's mineral enforced, so that makes it scratch resistant more than any other pan we've ever seen.
And you can do a lot of different things with this. As you can see, we have our induction top right here. You can cook gas, you can cook electric. You can even put this thing in the oven. It is safe up to 500 degrees, which means you can actually broil with it. And this very nice silicone handle right here, it won't melt like plastic and it won't get super hot like a metal handle would.
My favorite part is the non-stick qualities. We were able to melt a whole piece of cheese on there and it slid right off. But I do want to mention, like with all non-stick pans, you need to season this first. Now we do have the instructions on our site, but basically you just put some oil on there, put it on the range top and let it burn off. And the more you do it, the better it works.
Of course, Anissa, my favorite thing to make on here is eggs. Scrambled eggs, over easy, omelets, cheesy omelets. You fry them up in there with little or no butter and it slides right off.
Yeah, and the other thing is I want to point out, this is a 12-inch pan. It's actually the largest single pan we've ever sold, and many of you have asked, can't we get bigger pans? Now we've got it.
Anissa, granite has been used for years in outdoor cooking. Now this pan has taken that outdoor technology, put it indoors in this beautiful, gorgeous, extremely tough granite pan. I think you're going to love using it.
Now we have a great price on this, but let me tell you one thing. This is going to be the last pan you ever need to buy. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab one today.